This video shows you how to use a forum on training.nnlm.gov. Forums are represented by a red chat icon. Here is a screenshot of a forum for general use. The green Add Discussion Topic button allows you to add a discussion topic. The blue Subscribe to Forum button allows you to subscribe and unsubscribe from any forum. Here is a screenshot of a user adding a forum post. You can add all types of content to forum posts, including video, audio, links, and pictures. Select Advanced to attach files and documents to your post and turn off subscriptions to the post. Here is the Advanced section of a forum post where you can subscribe or unsubscribe to your post and browse or drag and drop to attach a file. When you are done, select Post to Forum to complete your post. A green message confirms your post. You have 30 minutes to edit if you would like to make changes. To summarize, post to a forum using the Add to Discussion Topic button. You can subscribe and unsubscribe from any forum. To share files, open the Advanced option and browse to your file, then save and post to forum. You have 30 minutes to edit your submission once you post. Thanks for watching. Visit training.nnlm.gov for online learning opportunities from NNLM.